Hey guys, Sean here with Apollo. A few months ago, we launched the Phantom V2, but we never really gave you guys a proper unboxing video. Well, today, that changes. Let's go. Phantom V2 launched just 6 months after our first version, and for the first time ever, it's available on both our US and Canadian stores. That's right, you heard me. So let's take a look inside the box. You guys excited to look inside? Love that new scooter smell. So as you can see, when you receive your Phantom, there is some assembly required. We do this because, well, this doesn't fit in a box very easily. But it should only take you about 5 minutes to set up, and I'll show you how. That's all there is to it, guys. While we strongly recommend watching our setup guide link below, assembling the scooter should only take you a couple minutes, and other than that, it's pretty much ready to go out of the box. Alright, but what makes a V2 a V2? Let's cover some of the differences and upgrades in this version versus the V1, and some of the stuff that you guys have been asking for. Starting with the new throttle. Now 25% more responsive with less dead zone, it's also got a beautiful ergonomic design. New, more durable kickstand that's 3 times sturdier than the previous aluminum version. New updated display with 10 extra LEDs, so it's 67% brighter with double the refresh rate. Let's peel off the plastic. New plastic formula locking ring that's more flexible and more durable. Higher quality brake pads that are 2 times more durable for a longer lifespan and less squeak. Quiet as a mouse. A new front deck plate cover that fits seamlessly with the rest of the board. New neck frame design that's 3 millimeters thicker, which translates to a 184% increase in payload capacity. New, thicker, higher quality inner tubes that are less prone to punctures. Important to note that there is no key ignition anymore, which we removed to make room for the new improved throttle. And lastly, an updated deck design and new powder coating to make the scooter more durable for those extreme riding conditions. We hope you like this video and Apollo's latest entry to our lineup. Be sure to sign up for our mailing list and follow us on social media so you don't miss out on any future announcements. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we ride safe.